What is up, everyone? I'm back at it again. Came out here this past Sunday, but there was no birds flying. It was really slow. It was 4 of us. We only got 3. There's one right there. So hopefully it picks up today. It's a little cooler morning. I've already seen a couple doves, but you guys can see it's kind of hard to tell if they're coming straight at me because it's still a little bit too dark. But it's shooting time. It's now legally to shoot, so hopefully they keep coming. I've seen 3 so far, so see how it goes. Look at that.
It's not like a people. It's like a pool table, for the game pool with the stick and the balls. And I'm thinking of the game of it's not like a pool. Like
Come this way.
Yeah, it's not like that. It's not like a small pool you can eat off of. It's like a.
Just don't want it to go off to the right. No, I don't want it to go off to the left. Got him. Finally, got one. White wing. So that's pretty much it on the video. It was very slow. It's been slow. It's still hot as hell here in Texas. We're still getting like 95s with the real feel of like 100. So I'm expecting it to be slow as far as dove hunting goes. Hopefully we get a cold front coming in, because I really want to shoot some more birds. When I was leaving, I was kind of doing some scouting around after I packed up, and I did see about 20 doves hanging out on a power line, like way down where I was hunting at. It's probably because they know there are no hunters there, they're not getting shot, and think they might be catching on. So hopefully we get a cold front and get some birds from the north to come down, because yeah, this kind of sucks having maybe not even 10 birds fly by and only getting 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I know it's not action packed, but I still want to put out some content. I mean, even show the days where it's already slow. Even with fishing, I'll throw some videos where I only catch 1, because that's what outdoor sports is like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and Athena says bye.